Are you ready? 5 seconds. Start. Question of loss or damage in transit was also put before the chairman for his consideration by the members present in the discussion. Stop. After carefully hearing all complaints of the members, the chairman informed the members as follows: stanza. Losses take place either due to wrong dispatches or thefts, either in transit or during transshipment stop. To avoid this, all consignments booked as small and those wagon load consignments which require transshipment are marked by railways with the code initial of the forwarding station, receiving station, forwarding note or invoice number and the number of packages stopped. In the case of wagon load consignments not involving transshipment, 10% of the packages are marked stop. Packages are also checked and counted carefully before dispatch. Stop. Stanza. Checks are organized by teams of inspectors specially engaged by the railways for this purpose to ensure that instructions regarding making are followed by the staff. Stop. During the last month, such checks were organized at 10 important points on this railway stop. The staff found responsible for any non-compliance have been reported to the divisional superintendents concerned for action against those staff. Stop. Stanza. Rule number 120 of the IRCA Goods Tariff number 32 also provides that each and every consignment, whether small or in wagon load, should be marked by the consignors indicating the name of the destination station. Stop. Stanza. During the discussions. Stop. Delhi Cloth Mills and Chemical Works representative pointed out that for determining storage in wagon loads, the wagons had to be sent to Travancore Railway Yard for weighment, and all charges in this respect were to be borne by the consignee. Stop. This caused great inconvenience and loss to the consignee. Stop. If the consignee wished to have the goods unloaded in the presence of railway representative, heavy expenses had to be incurred as the CM. Stop. I took time to come for checking the loss storage involved. Stop. Stanza. In case where after a long gap, if CMI visits the station, the assessment is not done correctly. Stop. If try to examine the outward condition and give report on the same. Stop. However, if after putting some pressure on him by the consignee, he is able to show the exact condition of the contents, the railway staff will not care to find out the real damage. Stop. A firm recently received a damaged conditions consignment of empty tins packed in cardboard boxes. Stop. Though the boxes were quite alright outwards, the empty tins therein were completely damaged. Stop. When the railway administration was requested to examine the contents, they refused to do so because the tins contained in the boxes were all right from all sides. Stop. It is a matter of great surprise that even the station master, booking clerks and claim inspectors do not try to pay any attention to those points. Stop. Stanza. In case when a claim is passed to the divisional office of railways, they do not even acknowledge 4 months. Stop. After reminding if at all pay orders are sent, they only cover 15 to 20% cost of the material lost. Stop. If will appreciate that this is not justified. Stop. Stanza. On hearing the above arguments in detail, the chairman assured the members that he will look into the matter in detail with his staff responsible for such matters. Stop. He assured us that he will try his best to remove all these difficulties and people will be given all possible assistance and facilities in getting their case settled as quickly as possible, and they will receive correct values for the material lost or found short during transportation by railways. Stop. Over.